Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Bella Auto Spa, and today we're going to be checking out a new brand called Apex Autocare. Now, they did send me pretty much their entire product line, so I appreciate you all sending that to me. But we're going to check them out. We're not going to give any biased opinions. We're going to see how it is. So Apex, I believe they're based out of Houston, Texas. Now I'm in Austin, Texas, so not too far away. But they pretty much got all bases covered for detailing products. They got shampoos, pre-soaks, detail sprays, sealant, wheel and tire cleaners, dressings, interior, the works, you name it, they got it. But today I'm going to be testing out their wheel and tire cleaner, or their tire and wheel cleaner as it says mainly. I'm going to see if the ceramic spray coating works as a spray and rinse. I'm just going to check that out. And then tire shine's here just to show they do have a tire shine. I'm not going to be applying it in this video though. In another video, we'll test out the other range of products to see how they do. But yeah, I'm excited to try out their wheel and tire cleaner. So what grabbed my eye is that it's purple, which doesn't mean anything other than that's what they colored it. But the best wheel and tire cleaners I've used have been purple. So we're going to test the pH level first. So I got this pH tester like a year ago, and I've barely used it, so I might as well test it out. Okay. I imagine this is going to be alkaline. And we're climbing. We're going to hit 11. Close. Bet if I left it in there for a while longer, it's still climbing. I'd probably hit 11, but... So it is on the alkaline side, which I expected. It's a wheel and tire cleaner. Most of them are. You need alkaline cleaners to clean rubber. pH neutral. Yeah, well, it can work. Acid usually doesn't work on rubber. On wheels, though, it usually works great. But anyways, let's look at the label on here. So I do want to say their labeling is really nice, straightforward. It looks good. Everything, you understand what it is. I like how they color coded their products, so you see a certain color, you know what the product is after you build that association in your mind. Their labeling is a lot like Chemical Guy's labeling, though. So I don't know who their blender is. Honestly, I have no idea. I don't know if it is the same blender that Chemical Guys uses. Mastersons might use something like that. But they're a local company out of Houston. So if you're in Houston, definitely hit them up. I believe they got a storefront, but they do sell online as well. I'll post a link to their website if you're interested in checking them out. But there's a description if you want to read it. It's usually just marketing stuff saying, hey, we clean wheels and we clean them well. Directions, I'll make sure they're cool to the touch, which they are. Car's been sitting overnight. Spray it into the surface. Allow the cleaner to dwell. Then agitate the surface. So it doesn't say to spray it on, rinse it off. It's not a touchless cleaner. You got all your warnings and everything down here. Their info about the company, products, etc. Made in the USA. So that's always good. I love the USA here. Anyways, let's get over to the car. We got some dirty wheels on there. We're going to see how this works and what the experience is like. So as you can see, we got a nice dirty wheel here, dirty tire, some nasty browning on it. I mean, well, it's not really, nothing's coming off of it actually, which is funny, but you can see how discolored it is. I mean, looking close, all brown all over the place. So then we got the wheel itself, of course. That's pretty dirty, as you can see a little finger swipe on there. Let's go ahead and get the sprayed on. Doesn't say to pre-rinse, so we're not going to do that. Now, first glance, does not appear to be very foamy. Foamier ones do foam up as you spray them out. This one you get some suds, they don't get crazy foam, so foam's not the biggest deal in the world. To me, it's nice to have foam. It tends to cling and dwell longer instead of running right off. So, just something to mention. That doesn't mean it's not going to clean. So, because there's no foam, I can't really see if it's making the browning run off. Kind of hard to see, but let's go ahead and start agitating and see if we can see it from there. Now, something to note on this brush, the bristles are nice and white-ish. Obviously not pure white anymore, it's been used a lot. Wheel cleaner or tire cleaners that don't work so well, usually the tips get stained black. So we'll see if that happens with this. If it keeps them white, then you know it's really strong. There we go. Foams up when you do that. You see all that browning. See my wife's fondness of curbs. I don't know if you can see it on camera. There's a chunk missing out of the tire. Lip of the tire right there. And then same with the tire on the front as well. She really likes hitting the passenger side on curbs. Why she doesn't drive my car. Okay, we go to clean it off. The bristles are still white, so that's good. So, effective cleaner in there. Now we're going to do the barrels. I like to get those wheel wells cleaned out. The face of the wheels cleaned off. So it's decently foamy. I wish it was a little bit more, but it's not a deal breaker. It is not a deal breaker. It's just personal preference. Alright, that's clean. I'm going to get these lug nuts. Alright, let's get it rinsed off. See how clean that wheel came, that tire, without hitting the camera, hopefully. Okay, everything looks pretty clean. Tire got pretty clean, nothing on my fingers. I'm not seeing any brown anymore. So for a routine cleaning, it did well. Now, coming across really, really dirty tires is not easy for me because I keep my own vehicles clean. That's mostly what I'm cleaning, and I do professional detailing, but I don't do it every single day. Usually the cars that come to me aren't too bad because they're wanting ceramic coating, so there are people that care about their car. I'm going to grab the ceramic spray sealant. We're going to see if this off-label use spray and rinse works. All right, now in their promotional materials, the stuff looked pretty good from what they were demoing. Again, this is off-label use. This isn't how it's intended to be used, so we're just going to see if it does work this way. Some products do work as spray and rinse, some don't. Yeah, it's got like this nice blue raspberry scent that smells good. I do see it's pushing some of the water away, so this might work as a spray and rinse sealant. Let's see. Aha! It does. Oh yeah, it definitely works, and it works well. So, off-label use for this product. but definitely gonna get a thumbs up for that. So that's awesome to know. The wheel cleaner works, spray, or the ceramic sealant works to spray and rinse. So there you go. There's a nice thing for your tires. Then after it dries, you put the tire dressing on. The tire dressing is nothing special. It's just a standard tire dressing, water-based. But let's go in for the final thoughts. All right, so Apex Autocare's tire and wheel cleaner. Pretty good. My only, I guess the only really thing I'd say about it is if it was a little bit foamier. And also, I don't know if the gallon comes in concentrated. If it is, awesome. If not, then it should. I prefer buying concentrated wheel cleaners because it's a product that you use a lot. Anything that's basically a cleaner, I prefer it concentrated. Cleaners and soaps. Sealants and stuff, it's not as important. You don't use as much of it, but it's cleaners and soaps, you can go through that stuff fast. So if you get it diluted, even better. But we'll check out more of their stuff in other videos, but it's just what it was in here. Again, you put the tire shine on at the end. Oh, and this is a ceramic enhanced tire shine. I did not know that, so that's even better. It's not just super basic standard. But anyways, and also this is not the same as the Apex Detail or Apex Surface Protection channel. Different. This is not Brian. I forget the guy's name. I apologize. But he's based out of Houston, not out of Pennsylvania like Brian is. And there's also a third Apex company. It's a pretty common name for car care companies, detailing companies. If you're in the Houston area, check them out. I'll post a link to their website below. I think we may have a group discount code in our car detailing deals group that I'm one of the moderators of. If it is, I will post that. That doesn't help this channel directly at all, but it'll save you some money. And I care more about saving you guys money than me making money. Just simply watching the video, liking and subscribing gives me good support. So I appreciate you all that do that because it doesn't cost you a thing. But other than that, that's all I got for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you check this company out. Let me know of some other great local companies that also sell online, and maybe we can check them out. And if you are a owner of a smaller company and you want me to review your products, just reach out to me, and I'm sure we can set something up. But I will see y'all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.